Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Bytes, your go-to channel for learning digital skills. In the last video, we learned how to enter and format data in Excel to make spreadsheets look professional. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to check it out. Today, we're diving into something really important: basic formulas in Excel. Excel is powerful because of its formulas. Whether you're adding numbers, calculating averages, or finding the highest value, formulas make your work faster and easier. So let's get started. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign equals. This tells Excel that you're entering a calculation. For example, if I type equals 5 plus 3 in a cell and press enter, Excel will show 8 as the result. But Excel becomes even more powerful when you use cell references instead of typing numbers manually. Let's say I type 5 in cell A1 and 3 in A2. Now if I type equals A1 plus A2 in A3 and press enter, I'll still get 8. But this time, if I change the numbers in A1 or A2, Excel will automatically update the result in A3. This is what makes Excel formulas so powerful. Excel supports all basic math operations. Addition plus arrow equals A1 plus A2. Subtraction minus arrow equals A1 minus A2. Multiplication star arrow equals A1 times A. 2 division slash arrow equals A1 divided by A2. Let's try an example. I'll enter 100 in B1 and 20 in B2. Now in B3, I'll type equals B1-B2 and press enter. The result is 80 because Excel subtracts 20 from 100. Similarly, if I type equals B1 times B2, Excel will multiply 100 times 20 and show 202,000 as the result. These simple formulas help you perform quick calculations without a calculator. Instead of typing long formulas like equals A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, Excel has a built-in function called sum to add multiple numbers at once. Let's say I have numbers in A1 to A5. Instead of writing equals A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, I can simply type equals sum of 1 to A5. This tells Excel to add all numbers from A1 to A5 automatically. To apply this function, click on the cell where you want the total. Type equals sum of and select the range, for example A1 to A5. Close the bracket and press enter, and that's it. Excel will add all numbers in that range instantly. Now let's say you have a list of student marks and you want to calculate the average score. Instead of adding everything manually and dividing, just use the average function. If marks are in B1 to B5, type equals average open parenthesis, B1 colon B5 close parenthesis. Press enter and Excel will calculate the average of all the numbers in that range. This is super useful for salaries, sales figures, and performance reports. Now what if you want to find the highest or lowest value in a list? Instead of scanning the numbers manually, use max function, finds the highest number. Min function, finds the lowest number. For example, if I have sales figures in C1 to C10, I can type equals max C1 to C10. This will show the highest sales value. Min of C1 to C10. This will show the lowest sales value. This saves a lot of time in analyzing data. Instead of typing the same formula again and again for different rows, use AutoFill to copy it down quickly. Let's say I have prices in column D and quantities in column E. To calculate the total price, I type in F1 equals D1 times E1. Instead of typing it for every row, I place my mouse at the bottom right corner of F1 until I see a small plus sign. Now I drag it down, and Excel applies the formula to all rows automatically. This feature is a huge time saver when working with large datasets. And that's how you use basic formulas in Excel. With these simple functions, you can speed up calculations and make your work easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next lesson. In the next video, we'll learn how to use more advanced Excel functions. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.